welcome back to my channel. My name is Huja, and today we are reviewing another wig, honey, and I'm feeling this one, like feeling it, okay? Like, the body, sis, like, the body, I'm feeling it. I hope y'all do too. I feel like I've said this like 20 times during the video, but let me just tell you again. So this is Butta Lace by Sensationnel. This is Butta Unit 2. They have a bunch of units, I think up to like 10 now, but this is number 2. I've been wanting 3, but 2, honey, you make me feel some type of way, okay? We're just gonna jump into the video and you guys will see how fast I customized this wig, okay? So I haven't opened up the wig, so I'm just gonna open that box up. It's gonna be Butta, literally Butta, like B-U-T-T-A lace. And we're just gonna open this bad boy up, okay? This is what Butta is gonna look like if you're looking for her in the stores. But yeah, that's what she looks like. From the looks of it, this wig is looking pretty fire, okay? So we do have deep parting space, okay? We do have 2 combs up top. We also have a comb in the back. So this is HD lace in the color 1B. This is also heat safe. So if I want to put some heat on it, I can. My hair is like super sleek down. I'm not a braider, you know, so like you'll never see me with my hair braided, you know. And I'm just gonna take a brush this time. What we're gonna do is we are gonna cover up any of the lace that we see in the middle, and we are just going to get that all in there. You can always use different bronzers, more concealer if you want to, like it really doesn't matter. Ooh, dang, this lace looking kind of fire though. Okay, see you. I kind of like this. I kind of like it a lot. I need to fix it on my head though. Oh, this is cute. I can see myself rocking this. And it goes from ear to ear. Wow, this looks very realistic, and I'm trying to cut as close as I can to the actual hairline on the wig so that I can fake it till I make it. All right, this is very scary. So yeah, we are just going to straighten up that part. It seems like they just like ripped off the parting space like in the middle. Like I can't describe it. Like, why is there just hair missing? I have no clue. And I'm like, did I do that, or is it that HD to where it's like tricking me or something? I have no clue. I'm just like, I like it, but it's just too like, it's too plucked in the hairline for me. Like y'all should have let me decide if I wanted a jacked up part. And it's just looking very, very real. I think that's what's throwing me off, but it's bomb. I really didn't have to do anything to it besides cutting off the lace. And it's definitely giving me, I just got a sew-in vibe. So this invisible ass lace literally looks invisible. It looks like it's just on my head. I don't know what to do. This is so crazy. Well, Sensationnel to me is like winning in the game. I don't know. It's between Sensationnel and Bobby Boss for me that are winning, because like, sis, these wigs are low-key fire. Like, this looks so natural. It looks like I just got my hair done. But yeah, honestly, I really don't have anything else to say besides the whole missing lace thing. It just seems like it's very like plucked up here in the part. Like I didn't make that part. Like it just seems like I didn't make it. Because it is a curly wig, like it does have a little bit of tangling. And I'm just sitting here, so that's not good. But you can always brush it out. All right, y'all, my makeup is done. I'm wearing clothes. What do you guys think? I kind of fixed it up a little bit. I definitely put eyeshadow in the part. I told y'all I wasn't really feeling the part because it looked like it was just over plucked. So what I did was I put eyeshadow in the hair so that it just looks more like flawless. But I'm feeling it because, I mean, that was really all that I was kind of iffy about for the wig. So I didn't have to pluck it. I didn't have to do anything. Y'all saw me literally take off the lace and then I got cute. That's literally all I did. It does have a few like tangles like at the bottom. Like I've only been sitting in this spot for like the past couple hours and that's what this sounds like. So that's what I'm not happy about for sure. But yeah, that's really about it. Like I'm very happy with this wig. I mean, it just looks like I got a fresh sewn in. Like I'm feeling fly. It's giving me like Kim K vibes, unfortunately, but it's super cute. Like I'm feeling it. This is Butta Unit 2 in the color 1B by Sensational. And yeah, that's all you really have to know. Has tangles and stuff like that. Has a weird funky part, but it was cute. I mean, I fixed it. It looks really nice. But yeah, so like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll be back with more wig videos.
Check me out. Check me out. Boom, bam, bam, bop. Bada bop, boom. Pow. Oh!
You love me?
Yes.
You love me?
Yes, I love you.
You love me?
Yes.
You love me?
Yes.
You love me?
Yes.
You love me?
Yes.
You love me?
Yes. Only you. Jesus.